entering Birmingham for the film premiere.
Birmingham, darling.
So we are at our film premiere, which is very exciting, which is supposed to cover the whole sort of project from when we started in February till today and captured every moment when we've all been together.
And being treated like celebrities, yes.
How did it feel coming down the red carpet?
Quite exciting.
Everybody brings so much heart to it, and it's been a really unique project for that. So all of it is a highlight, really, all of it. But it was just so great to actually see the film in front of an audience as well, and especially an audience of people who were actually in the film as well, and to see the parts that they enjoyed and the parts that they laughed at, and all of the parts that we hoped that they would really enjoy, they did.
Like, this project does not belong to Lou and I, it belongs to all of us. So we are very, very appreciative to you.
I don't know what I expected. I just loved all of it. I loved all of it.
We were at the film premiere, ladies. How was it?
A tearjerker, I have to say.
An amazing experience.
Did you cry? Because I
Most of the time.
yeah, I cried. Yeah.
But when you see yourself in a big screen and hear your voice, it's just like, that's what I sound like, that's what I look like, and it's just like, wow.
Amazing time. It was really challenging at times, but we actually all came together as a group, and I loved every minute of it. It was amazing.
I can't wait to put on my tap shoes. Would I do this again? Absolutely.
Keep